Hello everyone, welcome to AP Calculus. So let's solve this question based on the function of the increasing decreasing we have to tell. So function is given as this, and in which of the following interval is the g decreasing. If you look at this function, the upper limit is a variable over here, and for the function to be decreasing we just have to say g dash x less than 0. The derivative is less than 0. So first of all we have to do the derivative of this. Now in order to do the differentiation of this, we have to apply the fundamental theorem of calculus, or you can say Newton-Leibniz rule. And in the one of the previous video also we have discussed that thing. What we have to do over here, for the g dash x, whatever is the upper limit, just substitute the upper limit in place of t. So that will become x cube minus x square minus 6x upon square root of x square plus 7, and then differentiation of the upper limit with respect to x. Differentiation of x will become 1 minus, you have to put the lower limit in this function. Now when you put minus 1 over here, and then differentiation of minus 1, differentiation of minus 1 will be 0. So this complete thing will become 0 on the right side. So basically whenever the lower limit is a constant, you can ignore that thing, only use the upper limit, because differentiation of that constant will be 0 and everything will become 0. So finally we can say that g dash x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 6x whole divided by x square plus 7. Now we just have to solve the inequality that g dash x is less than 0 for the function to be decreasing. So let's solve this thing. X cube minus x square minus 6x divided by x square plus 7 less than 0. Now we can take this as common. So if you take the x as common, it will become x square minus x minus 6 whole divided by square root of x square plus 7. And since it only says decreasing, not the strictly decreasing, so we can say g dash x is less than or equal to 0. This is less than or equal to 0. So here also we will put less than or equal to 0. Now again we can factorize this thing. The x square minus x minus 6, the very easy factors, x minus 3 and x plus 2 whole divided by square root of x square plus 7 less than equal to 0. Now if you look at the denominator, this is square root function. Square root of anything will always be positive, and we want the complete expression to be negative. So it means the only possibility is that the numerator part has to be what? Negative. So only thing is that the numerator has to be negative, because denominator is already positive. So to make the complete expression negative, numerator has to be negative. So we can solve it by plotting this on the number line. The zeros we are having 0, 3 and minus 2. This is minus 2, this is 0, this is 3. And we can say the rightmost region is good, because all the leading coefficients are positive. So rightmost region will be positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. This is the sign of the g dash. And we are looking for less than 0. So less than 0 means negative regions we are picking. So if we pick the negative region, so we'll say from minus infinity till minus 2, and then from 0 to 3. So finally we can say x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 close bracket union 0 to 3, or you can say x is less than minus 2, or x is going from 0 to 3. In this case the function will be decreasing. So if you look at this thing, this is present in the option A. So option A is the correct answer. So a very beautiful use of the fundamental theorem of calculus and the inequality. So I hope you have understood this question. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching this.